Want to sell trending products without holding any inventory? Let's dive into importing directly from 1688 to your Shopify store. First, head to the Chrome web store and search for Alibaba Product Downloader by Fire Apps. This free extension will be our import tool. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension to install it. You'll see the extension icon appear in your browser toolbar. Now, navigate to the 1688 product page you want to import. Notice the Fire Apps extension icon lights up, indicating available products for download. Click the icon. A window pops up showing the product details. You can edit the title, description, and variants right here. Edit the product title and description to be more appealing and SEO-friendly for your target audience. Focus on clear, concise language. Select the product variations you want to import, like sizes or colors. Once you're happy, click the Import to Shopify button. You'll be prompted to log into your Shopify store. Enter your store URL and credentials to connect the extension. The extension will now automatically import the product into your Shopify store. A progress bar will show you the status of the import. Once the import is complete, go to the Products section in your Shopify admin panel. You'll see your newly imported product ready to be sold. Remember to review and adjust pricing, shipping, and other details as needed.